Come test drive this 2011 Audi A5. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 70,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.